Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best CarPlay screens on Amazon in 2026. If you want to upgrade your car with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a bigger touchscreen, built-in dashcam, or even streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, this list is for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Lamto upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. First up, we have the Lamto upgraded 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This model features a large 11-inch touchscreen display and supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It also includes built-in Netflix and YouTube app support through its entertainment video box system. You get voice assistant support, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a backup camera included in the package. This is more than just a CarPlay screen. It's basically a portable smart infotainment system. The big 11-inch display makes maps, media, and apps easy to see while driving. Wireless connection is stable, and the interface feels smooth. The built-in entertainment apps make it stand out if you often park and want streaming access. Pros: large 11-inch display, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Netflix and YouTube support, backup camera included, voice assistant compatible. If you want a big display with extra entertainment features, this is one of the most feature-packed options on Amazon right now. Number 2. 11-inch extra-large Apple CarPlay screen with 4K dashcam. This 11-inch ultra-slim CarPlay screen is only 0.16 inches thick, making it one of the slimmest options available. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, includes a built-in 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, GPS, mirror link, and voice control. The ultra-slim design gives your dashboard a very clean, modern look. The 4K dashcam recording quality is sharp and detailed, which adds extra safety. The touchscreen responsiveness is solid, and wireless connectivity works smoothly. This is ideal for drivers who want both infotainment and recording security in one device. Pros: ultra-slim 0.16-inch design, built-in 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, wireless connectivity, GPS and mirror link. If safety and sleek design matter to you, this is a great all-in-one solution. Number 3. Portable 10-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen. Next is a 10-inch portable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen. It features a 4K dashcam, 1080p backup camera, mirror link, voice control, music playback, and GPS navigation support. This one is great if you want something easy to install and remove. The 10-inch size fits well in most cars without blocking visibility. Wireless pairing is fast, and the system runs smoothly for navigation and music streaming. The included dashcam adds extra value at this price point. Pros: portable and easy to install, 4K dashcam, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, good value for money. If you want an affordable, reliable, and portable option, this is a very balanced choice. Number 4. 10.26-inch CarPlay screen with 3-channel camera. This 10.26-inch CarPlay screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, includes a 3-channel camera system, 4K recording camera, backup camera, Bluetooth 5.2, FM radio support, and 32 gigabytes built-in storage. The triple camera setup is the highlight here. You get front, rear, and interior recording, which is perfect for rideshare drivers or added security. The 32 gigabyte storage allows local video saving without needing extra accessories. The display quality is sharp and clear, and Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable audio streaming. Pros: 3-channel camera system, 4K recording, built-in 32 gigabyte storage, stable Bluetooth 5.2, wireless CarPlay support. If security and full coverage recording are important, this is one of the best choices in 2026. Number 5. 10.1-inch QLED double-din car stereo. Last but not least, we have the 10.1-inch QLED double-din car stereo. Unlike portable models, this is a full head unit replacement. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, includes a backup camera, Bluetooth, FM/AM radio support, steering wheel control support, 240-watt output power, and dual subwoofer output. The QLED display delivers vibrant colors and better brightness compared to standard LCD panels. Since this replaces your factory stereo, it provides a more integrated look and stronger audio output. If you want a permanent upgrade instead of a portable solution, this is the way to go. So, which one should you choose? Want entertainment apps and big screen? Go with the Lamto 11-inch model. Want ultra-slim design with 4K dashcam? Choose the 11-inch slim version. Want portable and budget-friendly? The 10-inch portable option is perfect. Need full security recording? Pick the 3-channel camera version. Want a permanent stereo upgrade? The QLED double-din unit is your best bet. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews in 2026.